Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to play the Final Countdown guitar solo by Europe and break down each section so by the end of this video you'll be able to play the whole solo. Alright, let's get started. With the 12th fret on the B string, 10th fret on the high E, then hammer on to the 14th fret on the high E, and then pull off. And you do that 5 times. (14) on the B and 12 on the E, and then hammer on to the 15th and pull off. Five times. Then go to the 15th on the B, 14th on the high E, hammer on to the 17th, and then pull off. And then go to the 8th and 7th fret on the B and E string, hammer on to the 10, pull off to the 7. Do that 2 times. So up to that point, sounds like this. Enjoy this content, I'll leave a video up here you can watch next. Then you play the 10th fret on the B and the 7th fret on the high E. Then 10, 8, 7 twice on the B string. Sounds like this. And then to the 9th fret on the G string, and 8th fret on the B string 3 times. Hammer on from the 7 to the 8 on the B, then 9, 7 on the G. So all together. And then you hit it again on the 7, to the 6, to the 4, it's all on the G string, to the 7 on the D. That part he uses a whammy bar, but I don't have one. That still sounds pretty much the same. Then what he does, he goes to the 10th fret, holds that bend on the B string, then 7 on the high E and 7 on the B, 10 on the B. Then holds that bend on the G string of the 9th fret, 7 on the B, 7 on the high E. And you're going to pull from the 10 to the 7 on the B string. And then 9 on the B, 10 on the G, 7 on the B, and then 7 on the G. Sounds like this. Then play the 10th fret on the G, and then pull off from 9 to 7 on the G, then 9 on the D, 9 on the G, back to 9 on the D, then hammer off from the 7 to the 9 on the G, and then bend on the 9th fret of the G. All together slow. Then he goes back and does the same thing he did at the beginning. Then he plays the 8, 10 on the B string, 7 on the E, 10, 8, 7 on the B string, then 7 on the E, then 10, 8, 7 on the B again. So all together. Then play the 8th fret on the B string again, 3 times. Hammer off from the 7 to 8. the 9th fret to the 7th fret, then a whole step bend on the B string on the 10th fret, then release it, and 7, 9 on the G, and then a unison bend. So you're bending up a whole step bend on the G string, and the 7th fret you just have your finger on it. Go to the 11th fret,